Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Noah and today we are going to talk about making friends in English.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Noah, do you find it easy to make friends?
Honestly, not always. It can be a little scary.
Yes, I think many people feel the same way.
And it is even harder when you speak a different language.
That is very true. Many English learners feel nervous.
But today, we will make it easier for everyone.
Yes, we will share simple phrases and tips.
So you can make friends in English with confidence.
Let's start with the very first step.
Okay, what is the first step to making a new friend?
The first step is saying hello.
Yes, it always starts with a greeting.
In English, we have many ways to say hello.
Like what?
We can say hello, hi, or hey.
And also good morning, good afternoon, or good evening.
Hello is formal, hi is friendly, and hey is very casual.
So we choose based on the situation.
Exactly. With a new person, hi is usually perfect.
Yes, hi is friendly but not too casual.
After saying hello, we introduce ourselves.
How do we introduce ourselves simply?
We say, hi, my name is Emma. What is your name?
Or we can say, hi, I'm Noah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you is a very important phrase.
Yes, everyone uses it when meeting someone new.
Let's all practice that phrase together.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Very good. Now you try it too, everyone.
Say it out loud wherever you are right now.
Even if you are on the bus or in the kitchen.
Yes, practice everywhere.
What comes after the introduction?
After the introduction, we ask simple questions.
Like what kind of questions?
Where are you from is a very common first question.
I'm from Canada. Where are you from?
Perfect. That is natural and friendly.
Another good question is, what do you do?
What do you do means what is your job?
I'm a teacher. What do you do?
Great example, Noah.
We can also ask, do you live near here?
Yes, that is a very natural conversation starter.
These questions help you learn about a new person.
And people love talking about themselves.
That is very true.
What about you, everyone listening? How do you start a conversation with someone new?
Please write your answer in the comments below. We would love to hear from you.
Now let's talk about keeping a conversation going.
Yes, sometimes we don't know what to say next.
That is a very common problem for beginners.
So what can we do?
One great tip is to ask follow-up questions.
What is a follow-up question?
A follow-up question continues the conversation.
For example, someone says, I love music.
And you say, oh, really? What kind of music do you like?
That keeps the conversation going naturally.
Yes, one question leads to another.
We call this keeping the conversation flowing.
Flowing means moving smoothly and naturally.
Like water flowing in a river.
I love that comparison.
Yes, a good conversation flows like a river.
Let's learn some useful responses now.
Good idea. What are some natural responses?
Oh, really? Shows surprise and interest.
That sounds fun, shows enthusiasm.
I agree, shows you share the same opinion.
Me too is short and very natural.
Wow, that's interesting. Shows you are engaged.
These are very simple but very powerful responses.
Yes, they make the other person feel heard.
And feeling heard makes people want to talk more.
Let's practice a short conversation now.
Great idea. Let's show everyone a real example.
Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Emma. I'm Noah. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from, Noah?
I'm from Australia. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. Oh, wow, Australia sounds amazing.
Yes, I love it there. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. What is your favorite place?
My favorite place is Japan. The food is incredible.
Oh, really? Me too. I love Japanese food.
And that is how a natural conversation flows.
Yes, did you notice how easy that was?
Simple questions and natural responses.
Anyone can do this with a little practice.
Yes, even beginners can have this conversation.
Let's talk about some important vocabulary now.
Good idea. First word is introduce.
Introduce means to tell someone your name for the first time.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Noah.
Perfect. Next word is conversation.
A conversation is when two or more people talk together.
We had a great conversation at the party.
Good example. Next word is friendly.
Friendly means being kind and easy to talk to.
She is very friendly. I liked her immediately.
Yes, being friendly is the most important thing when making friends.
A smile goes a long way.
Yes, a smile is understood in every language.
That is very true. Smiling is universal.
Let's talk about common situations where you meet new people.
Like where?
At school, at work, at a party, or in a class.
Also at the gym, at a coffee shop, or online.
Yes, you can make friends anywhere these days.
Online friendships are very common now.
Yes, many people make friends in English online.
In English learning groups, on social media, or in games.
So don't be afraid to start a conversation online, too.
Yes, the world is full of friendly people waiting to meet you.
Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue talking about making friends in English.
Yes, we have more great phrases and tips to share.
Let's talk about talking about hobbies and interests.
Yes, hobbies are a great topic when making new friends.
When you share interests, friendships form quickly.
Yes, common interests bring people together.
How do we ask about someone's hobbies in English?
We can say, "What do you like to do in your free time?"
Or simply, what are your hobbies?
I love reading books. What about you?
Oh, I love reading too. What kind of books do you like?
See how naturally that flows?
Yes, hobbies are an easy and fun topic.
Other good topics are movies, music, food, and travel.
These topics are safe and interesting for everyone.
We call these safe topics or small talk topics.
Small talk means light, friendly conversation.
Not too serious, not too personal.
Just friendly and easy conversation.
What topics should we avoid with new people?
Good question. Avoid politics, money, and religion at first.
Yes, these topics can cause disagreement.
Save those conversations for when you know someone better.
Yes, start light and build trust slowly.
Let's learn some grammar now.
Good idea. What grammar point?
Let's talk about questions with do and are.
Okay, what is the difference?
We use do for actions. Do you like music?
And we use are for states or feelings. Are you happy here?
Do you play sports? This is about an action.
Are you from this city? This is about a state.
Very clear explanation, Noah.
Let's give more examples.
Do you enjoy cooking? Action.
Are you a student? State.
Do you speak any other languages? Action.
Are you new here? State.
These are very useful questions for making friends.
Yes, memorize these patterns and use them.
Let's talk about listening skills now.
Yes, making friends is not just about talking.
That's right. Listening is equally important.
Good listeners make great friends.
When you listen carefully, people feel respected.
Yes, everyone wants to feel respected and understood.
So, how do we show we are listening in English?
We use small words like yes, I see, and right.
These show the other person you're paying attention.
For example, someone says, "I just got a new job."
And you say, "Oh, wow, that's great. Tell me more."
That response shows interest and encouragement.
Tell me more is a very powerful phrase.
Yes, it shows you're genuinely interested.
Let's learn the word genuinely now.
What does genuinely mean?
Genuinely means truly and sincerely, not fake.
I am genuinely happy to meet you.
That is a beautiful and sincere sentence.
Yes, sincerity is very attractive in a friend.
If you're enjoying this episode, please like and subscribe.
Yes, your support means so much to us.
And share this video with someone who wants to improve their English.
Let's talk about making friends online in English now.
Yes, this is very relevant today.
Many people connect online before meeting in person.
When writing to someone new in English online, keep it simple.
Hi, I found your profile interesting. I would love to connect.
That is a friendly and polite message.
Or in an English learning group, you can say, "Hi everyone, I'm new here."
Simple and easy. People will welcome you.
English learning communities are very supportive.
Yes, everyone is learning together.
No one will judge you for making mistakes.
So be brave and start talking.
Let's practice some pronunciation now.
Good idea. Let's practice the word friend.
Friend. F-R-I-E-N-D.
The EI in friend sounds like a short E sound.
Friend. Not friend, but friend.
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 Perfect. Now let's try conversation.
Conversation.
The stress is on the third part. Conversation.
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 Great. One more word. Introduce.
Introduce.
The stress is on the last part. Introduce.
Introduce.
Excellent pronunciation practice, everyone.
Let's finish with a full list of useful phrases for making friends.
Great idea. This will be very helpful for everyone.
Number 1, hi, my name is blank. Nice to meet you.
Number 2, where are you from?
Number 3, what do you do?
Number 4, what do you like to do in your free time?
Number 5, oh really? That sounds interesting.
Number 6, me too. I love that as well.
Number 7, tell me more about that.
Number 8, it was really nice talking to you.
Number 9, can we talk again sometime?
Number 10, let's keep in touch.
Let's keep in touch means let's stay connected.
We say this at the end of a good conversation.
It is a very friendly way to end a meeting.
Use all these phrases and you will make friends easily.
Yes, language is just a bridge between people.
And English is one of the most powerful bridges in the world.
So use it, practice it, and enjoy it.
What about you, listeners? Do you find it easy or hard to make friends in English?
Please tell us in the comments below.
We read every single comment and love hearing from you.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye.